welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a Lush haul. Actually, it's not really a haul. I got this lovely happy birthday Lush box from a really good friend of mine called Chantel, so thank you so much, Chantel, I love it. And I thought I'd actually unbox it on camera. So I've actually opened it already and I've had a little sneaky peek, but I thought I'd share what's in there and obviously show you because I've never seen this actual collection before, so I'm interested, and there's a few things in there that I've never seen before, so I'm excited to try out. And obviously, of course, on my Instagram, which I'll link here, I tend to do a bit more videos of how to use those bath bombs or like bath melts or anything like that. So yeah, super excited. So let's get into the video. Right, so first of all, that's gotta go. I love how much ribbon they put on things. So inside you get a little like piece of paper which tells you everything, and on here it says going naked is better, which I'm assuming it's the packaging or not. I mean, you just don't know. But anyway, so I just think the box is so cute. I'm definitely going to keep that because I just think it's adorable. I just love it. So I love little boxes like this. So when you open it up, obviously, here you go. So inside you actually get a cute little duck banner, which I'm never going to use, but it says happy birthday, I think, on it. So I might keep that because you never know. Maybe like a friend with children or something and she's having a baby, so maybe we just can reuse it for then. We're just going to pull them out, show you, tell you what they are and what they do, if I can figure it out. So the first one obviously has got to be this one. Which looks like a location pin of you. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, this is called I'm Forever Blowing Bubbles. If you can, I can see that, And this is a reusable bubble bar. It smells amazing. It's a cream of tartar and it's got Sicilian lemon oil and lime oil in there and grapefruit oil. It does smell very citrusy, but it smells lovely. It's very clean, very fresh, and I'm very excited to test this out. I've not actually ever seen or used this one before, so I'm very excited about this one. So next up we have Yellow Submarine, which I have actually had this one before. This one's got citric acid, Brazilian orange oil, coriander seed oil, and there's a few other things that I really don't know. But this is an amazing little bath bomb and it smells incredible. It turns your bath like a pinky colour because obviously the pink inside, I believe. I don't know if I remember. If I find the Instagram video that I've taken of me using this one, I'll insert it. If not, we'll see what happens. And you'll see on Instagram if you follow me. So there you go. But yeah, I do love this one. Next is this one? The dragon egg? Yes, so this one is a dragon egg bath bomb. I've used this before. I love this one as well. This one's got popping candy in, which is why I find it really quite exciting. It's lemon oil, it's very citrus as well. It's also got jasmine in, so it's very good for relaxing. And yeah, I just really love the scent of this one. It all smells like citrus at the moment because I think there's quite a few citrus bath bombs, but it smells lovely. Then we have the Groovy Kind of Love, which I've never seen this one before, but I love the look of it. It just looks really funky or groovy, right? So this is also a bath bomb and it says it's got rose oil, bergamot oil, ylang ylang oil and loads of other different ingredients that I can't pronounce. But this one smells really quite, you can smell the, I'd say the bergamot and the rosewood. It's a bit more warm. It's like a really nice warm smell. I love it. I think that one's going to be amazing, especially because it's now autumn winter. I love having like baths when, you know, it gets to this time of year. So very excited for the seasons to come, to be honest. Then we have Rocket Science Bath Bomb, which I have had this one before 3 times, I think. And I love it. This one is filled with bergamot and lemon. It turns the water like a yellow fizz and then into a deep blue and then pink. So that's what happens to this. So it's like all those colours come out, but it does go like a bit more of a bluey colour. I really like this one. It smells amazing. it is one of my favourites. I have to say, it definitely is one of my favourites. And then I think, oh no, one more. And then finally we have the Comforter Bubble Bar, which I've never had this one before. This one is blackcurrant, and you can tell it smells very fruity, but I really like, so fruity, I want to eat it. It's like that kind of smell. It's lovely. I've never tried it, so I'm very excited to try this one. And I like it because you can break it up, you can throw the whole thing into your bath, and you just got get loads of bubbles. So it's not one of those baths where you think you can shave your legs and wash your hair. It's definitely one of those ones where you light a few candles, let the bubbles just go crazy, and play a bit of music and just relax. I think that's kind of more the vibe for this one. But it smells amazing. Oh, yeah, lovely. So yeah guys, that is like super quick, I know, but that's what's in the Happy Birthday Lush box if you're interested. So now that's everything that's in the box. I thought I'd show you where I store them. I think I've showed you this before, but this sits at the side of my bath and it's already got a few goodies in there already. Oh yeah, you know how I said that I like the rocket science? It's in here as well. So now I got two. I love it. I literally just like pop them in there. I try and position them if they'll fit. I don't think the stick one will fit. I clearly need to have a few more baths because I can't get them all to fit in here. So I've got a few still stuck there. But what I'll do is, as soon as I'll put those on the side of my bath, and then as soon as I've used some of these, or maybe I'll use those first. So that's it guys. That is the Happy Birthday Lush collection, and thank you so much to my really good friends Chantal and Matt for buying those for me. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!